We are getting a closer look at a local behavioral health program called BOB, which stands for Better Outcomes Through Bridges.
Fox News' Marilyn Deutsch says BOB helps some of Oregon's most vulnerable citizens through outreach and peer counseling.
DJ Alex walks her own path. At times, that's been a path of destruction. 40 years ago, when she was just 12, she started using drugs.
Some of us, when we get raised in homes that aren't really homes, we have no supervision. When we find a release, I found mine in drugs.
But now, drug-free and with a roof over her head, her path is helping others. DJ is a peer counselor for Better Outcomes Through Bridges, the Providence-run program called BOB. We spoke to her recently in Shemansky Park, where she used to sleep before she quit using and turned her life around.
I was addicted to whatever I could be addicted to. It was just a miserable way to live. I had to lose everything, including my freedom, to wake up and do something different.
A stint in prison, her kids in foster care, then recovery, a long haul. But now DJ uses her hard-learned life lessons to help those who need the same help she once needed. She meets some of them in Providence hospitals when they are at their worst, sick with drug addiction or mental illness.
That very first meeting means everything.
DJ understands what other counselors have only studied.
I tell them from the beginning that I'm in recovery, I have been in your shoes, I know how to walk the path to get you out of this situation. I get to build that relationship with them while they're in the hospital now. And then when it's time for them to discharge, I get to follow them out here in the community and work with them.
DJ has been a peer counselor for 2 years. She knows what's going on in the minds of desperate souls.
And a lot of people aren't ready to stop using. I come across that, and that's okay. But what I'm doing is I'm planting the seed of, here's my number, and when you're ready, I'm ready.
DJ counsels to give hope to people who have none.
They're not bad people. They've lost their way. And all it does is take someone to care for them in one brief moment.
The problems we see on the streets appear overwhelming. Maybe we need more people like DJ Alex.
The best part of it all is I found my purpose. And my purpose is helping my people.
Marilyn Deutsch, Good Day, Oregon.